Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign into Hyperwallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you're gonna go ahead, open up your browser. You're gonna cross this out, go to search bar and type in Hyperwallet Login and search it up. Now then you will see this option of Login Hyperwallet Program Portal right away on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and then this kind of interface is gonna pop up where you simply have to add in your account ID, user ID, your password, and tap on login. If in case you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password given right over here, and then you will be able to verify yourself and reset your password so you can continue further by logging in your app. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.